Going to be another wardrobe malfunction. Yellow looks so good on dark skin. Okay, welcome squad, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to recreate someone's makeup look. So y'all know I'm not that big on doing makeup. I'm not great either, but I decided I'm gonna take this quarantine to perfect that skill because it takes time and practice. I'll be recreating a makeup look from the queen herself, Jackie Aina. I saw a makeup look that she posted on Instagram. I find it so stunning, and I thought I'd just recreate it with the cheap products that I have. I don't got them coins, sis. So let's hope this goes according to plan. Before we get into video, I can't pass up doing Jackie Aina's intro, so let's do it. Hey, Jackie, 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 Jackie. Let's start this. I'm just gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. Too close. Back up a little bit. Back up, back up, back up. Yes, my face is still breaking up, but that's okay. Before starting anything, I'm just gonna make sure I moisturize my lips because I ain't doing another chopped lip video. That last one, I should be ashamed of myself. Okay, so before I'm starting off, I'm just gonna prime with the NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. I did this on my last video when I was trying out makeup products that I bought online. So absolutely love how this feels, and plus I bought it and can't return it because when it's I'm gonna use it. The first thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. Jackie always does her eyebrows after she does her foundation and everything, but I can't do that. I can't do it. So I'm grabbing the BH Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette to fill in my brows. By the way, I haven't touched up my brows, and it's not because of quarantine. I'm doing a eyebrow growth challenge, and I just want to see how well it works. If you want to see that video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that post notification bell so you don't miss it when it comes out. I'm not really making my eyebrows very fancy. I'm just like filling them in. Okay, I think I just cleaned it up a little bit so it looks decent. I'm just gonna quickly set my brows as well. Stay put, dragons! I just added the eyeshadow primer. All of the products that I use in this video will be listed in the description box if you're curious. I don't know why this looks so. So Jackie always goes in with her foundation and everything before she does her eyeshadow. I do it the other way around because I have cheap products, so they would have much more fallout than what Jackie Aina uses. I don't know why I keep saying her last name, what Jackie uses. So I am going to try to recreate the look using the Gorgeous Me Beauty Glaze palette. If I hold it down like this, you can probably see it. Yep. I don't necessarily think I have the colors in this palette to recreate the exact style. I'm just gonna try my best. But this is a very colorful, so I'm gonna choose between this blue, and this shimmery blue to put over it to get the look that she has. First off, there's no blue on Jackie's eyes. Those are emerald green. I don't know why I chose to use this and this when clearly there's this and this that could have been used. Jackie side eyeing me like, girl, what is you doing? Yeah, that's definitely what I'm gonna do. Okay, all right. First, getting the transition shade. She has a brown over it. You can really tell I have no clue what I'm doing. Holy, she looks like she uses dark brown. I don't think she has this specific look up on her channel because I don't think so. Jackie's so gorgeous. I'm just going to build up with the brows that I have here. Hopefully it just turns out good. Oh god, this makes me nervous. Okay, that don't look bad so far. I wonder if she cut her crease. I think she's even like darker on the outer parts too. How it looks in the camera is not how it looks in the mirror. Let me not beat myself up first. The look is not done. Let's take another look. Jackie. Jackie, 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 Jackie. Jackie, 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 Jackie. Nah, man. I'm good. I think I'm good. Let me go with a lighter brown to lighten it up a little bit, I guess. I feel like I'm ruining it. Alvina, you're ruining it. I'm definitely ruining it. I think I am actually going to cut the crease because I don't feel like the other color is gonna show up. This is what you do when you don't know what to do. Just gonna get this flat brush. Is this the brush I use? Is this the brush you use to cut your crease? I'm just gonna grab this Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles, and I'm just going to put a little bit on my hands like so, and I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly cut the crease. Guys, I'm trying. I cut the crease. It still looks dark, but I think I can fix it eventually. So I'm gonna go in with this darker blue first and see if I'm getting any shade that's close to what she has. Not at all, not at all. I'm going with this darker one to see if it's better. I think I'm just gonna have to mix the two until it creates that dark blue that she has. I am going to make this work, feel me. This is looking nothing like what Jackie has. Could it be the lighting? To tell you the God truth, I will start over. I will start over. She definitely never cut her crease. Probably the fact that I'm gonna cut my crease is why it's going on so bright. This is actually not far off from her blue, is it? I'm gonna go back in with the brown and kind of like get rid of the harsh line here. I want Jackie to critique this and tell me how I'm doing. Cause could it be also the different shape of my eye?
Stop it. Get some help. It's
way too bright. I need to tone it down a bit, and I'm not sure how to tone it down. I'm not sure how to tone it down, and I feel like I'm just going to mess it up. I'm gonna go in with that top blue. Oh, I caught it. This just made it brighter, but it added the shimmer that I was looking for. Really don't want to mess it up, you know. I ain't not do Jackie no justice. No. This is like a slightly darker green, and I feel like this is going to ruin it, but I'm just going to lightly, ever so lightly, tap it into the middle and going out. Let me see. Let me just tap it one time and see. And I really had nothing still. I wish I could pause it. Guys, I don't know. I feel like I already screwed up. Man, Jackie, I suck at this. So it wasn't recording. Part of it got chopped off, but I'm not mad. I'm not mad. You got the part where I was actually applying the shadow. But what I was saying is that I can't get mad at myself. I'm doing the best with what I do have. I don't have the exact same product that Jackie used. I don't even know what Jackie used because this was not a video that was done on her channel. So obviously I'm not going to recreate the exact same look, just something close enough. And this is the best that I could do. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some lashes off camera and do the whole face and then come back and see. So I added the lashes. That's what it looks like. Again, Jackie's is a little bit darker than what this color is, but can't quite exactly recreate the exact look. I'm probably not even the best judge of color as well, but anyways, I'm gonna go in and do my face. I'm using the color 355 Coconut, and I'm applying that with a brush. Let me just go back a little bit. So I don't normally do this, you guys know. I just put on Vaseline and go because I don't wear lipstick. But she's wearing a nude. Oh my gosh, she's so gorgeous. She's wearing a nude color lip. So I'm just gonna grab my BH because my 28 nude lip palette, and I'm trying to find a shade that works with what she has on. Nope, nope, no, 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 no. I know. Stick to the evil that you know. It's done. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to set my face. Okay, I'm gonna go loosen up my hair and then I'll come back to finish off the video. What I forgot to do was actually add some of the color under my eye. Okay, that's under there. Jackie had like a little gold shimmer here, so that's what I'm doing. Anyways, that's the finished look. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to bust a like on the video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.